Good morning, my dear students. In part 1, we discussed 8 questions of previous mains questions in 2019. In 2019, 16 papers are released, online papers. So, total number of questions 16 in 2019. On average, one question in each paper. So, definitely one question in mains from complex numbers. Now, we discuss 9 to 16 questions in this video, part 2. Here, Z1 and 9th question. Question number 9. Let Z1 and Z2 are two complex numbers satisfying mod Z1 equal to 9 and mod Z2 minus 3 minus 4i equal to 4. Then the minimum value of mod Z1 minus Z2, options 0, root 2, 1, 2. Here, mod Z1 equal to 9, Z1 and Z2 are variable complex numbers. Mod Z1 equal to 9, that means that Z1 is a point on the circle having center origin and radius 3. Having center origin and radius 3. Here, Z2 minus 3 minus 4i equal to 4, that means that also represents a circle having center 3, 4. First circle center is 0, 0 and radius is 3. Second circle center is 3, 4 and radius is R2 is 4. Clearly, these two circles are intersecting. Here, it is the circle having center origin and radius 3. It is the circle having center 3, 4. 3 is here, 4 is here. 3, 4 and radius 4. Radius 4, that's why it touch x-axis and it cut y-axis because the distance from center to the y-axis is 3 only. But here radius is 4. So, one unit outside to the left side to the y-axis. That's why here. Now here Z1 and Z2 are two variable points. Z1 is a point on the small circle. Z2 is a point on the big circle. Variable points. What is the minimum distance between Z1 and Z2? Very simple. The minimum distance is 0 because if you take Z1 and Z2, Z1 is this and Z2 is also this, the minimum distance is 0. Very simple question. If you have concept on circles directly, you can easily write the answer. You can easily identify the answer. Mod Z1 minus Z2, minimum value is 0. For example, if the same question, if we change like maximum value, what is the maximum value? What is the maximum value? That is nothing but maximum value from, if you take Z1 is here and Z2 is here, the distance between these two. That means here from this point to this point. That means if you join here, this diameter is 8. Next here 1 plus this 3, 9 plus 3, 12. The maximum distance is 12. But here minimum distance, that is 0. Once again, maximum distance. Here diameter is 8. But from origin to the point is 5. So this distance is 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. Maximum distance. But our question is minimum only. That is 0. Now, question number 10. Z is given as root 3 by 2 plus I by 2. Then 1 plus I is Z plus Z power 5 plus I Z power 8 whole power 9. That value. Options are given 0, minus 1, that complex number and 1. One method is change into the mod amplitude form. That means it is nothing but 6 pi by 6. That is one method. Very easy method. Now you observe here. Z equal to Now here taking common from these two minus I, minus I, minus I taking common. Actually here I is there, I is there. So minus 1 plus root 3I by 2. If you have any doubt, just you check that. Multiply with minus I, it become I. Minus root 3I square. I square is minus 1. Minus root 3 into minus 1 plus root 3. So, minus I, of taking common minus I from this, we get this. Why not taking minus I? Minus I. How you know that? Take minus I common. Simple technique here. The remaining part is omega or omega square. Minus 1 plus root 3I omega. Omega square is minus 1 minus root 3I by 2. Okay. That's in that point of view. We are taking common minus I. Z equal to minus I omega. Now, IZ. Question. This value is 1 as it is. And just you substitute minus I omega minus I square omega. That means minus I square, that is plus 1 plus omega, that become Z power 5 minus I whole power 5. Minus I whole power 5 is minus I. So minus I omega power 5. Omega power 5 is omega cube is 1. So omega square minus I omega square. Next, minus I omega whole power 8. Minus I whole power 8, that is 1. Omega power 8. Omega power 8 is omega power 6 into omega square. Omega power 6 is 1. So omega square. So that become plus I omega square. Minus I omega square plus I omega square cancel. 1 whole power 9 is there, power. 1 plus 9 omega. 1 plus omega square equal to 0. 1 plus omega equal to minus omega square. 1 plus omega minus omega square, that equal to minus omega square whole power 9, that become minus 1. Because omega power 9 is 1. Omega power 18 minus omega power 18. Omega power 18. 18 is the multiple of 3. Omega cube whole power 6. Omega cube is 1. That's why minus 1. Question number 11. All the points in the set S equal to alpha plus I by alpha minus I such that alpha belongs to R lie on A. First option, circle whose radius is root 2. Second option, circle whose radius is 1. Third option, straight line whose slope is minus 1. Fourth option, straight line whose slope is 1. First of all, observe the set, that is S equal to set of all alpha plus I by alpha minus I. Let us take Z equal to which type of numbers in the set? Z equal to alpha plus I by alpha minus I. By observing the complex number, it is clearly unimodular. Mod Z is 1. Mod Z, how it is 1? Look here, mod Z equal to modulus of this and modulus of this. Modulus of a complex number is root of x square plus y square. X plus I by modulus is root of x square plus y square. So here, root of alpha square plus 1 by alpha square plus 1, that equal to 1. That means mod Z equal to 1. It represents a circle having center, origin and radius 1. It represents a circle having center, origin 0, 0 and radius 1. So, which option here? Circle whose radius is root 2. That is wrong. Circle whose radius is 1. So, second option is correct. Very simple. By observing the question, directly you can decide that Z belongs to C be such that mod Z less than 1, If W, dear students, keep in your mind, it is not omega in this question, it is W, that is a complex number. 5 plus 3z by 5 into 1 minus z, then 5 imaginary W is less than 1, 5 real W is greater than 1, 4 imaginary W is greater than 5, 5 real W is greater than 4. That means you have to find the real part of W as well as imaginary part of W, compare with a complex number, inequality. Solution. By cross multiplication, here Z is a complex number. By cross multiplication, W minus 5WZ equal to 5 plus 3Z. Take this side and 5W that side, which implies 5 into W minus 1 is equal to Z into 5W plus 3. Therefore, Z equal to 5 into W minus 1 by 5W plus 3. But mod Z less than 1, which implies this part is less than 1, 5 into mod W minus 1 less than 5 into W plus 3 by 5, taking common 5 here, W plus 3 by 5, so both sides 5 cancel, we get this. Squaring both sides, modulus also here. Squaring both sides, we get W square, squaring both sides here, W square plus 1 minus 2 real W less than W square plus 9 by 25 plus 2 real W into 3 by 5. That means 6 by 5 real W. Now here W square cancel. Mod W square actually here. Mod W square cancel. 9 by 25 take this side. 1 minus 9 by 25 less than 2 plus 6 by 5 into real W. This is nothing but 16 by 25 less than 10 plus 6, 16 by 5 real W. 16 cancel, 5 in 5 times 1 less than cross multiplication 5 real W. That means 5 real W is greater than 1. Reverse. 5 real W is greater than 1. So, second option is right answer. Look here, once again here. How we get this? What is real W? Just mod Z1 minus Z2 whole square equal to mod Z1 square plus mod Z2 square minus 2 real Z1 Z2 bar. Actually, Z1 Z2 bar. Here Z2 bar means complex. Here that is real number. That conjugate is the same type. That's why directly you can take that minus 2 real W into this. That's why we are getting this term. If a greater than 0 and z equal to 1 plus I whole square by a minus I and mod z equal to root 2 by 5, then z bar equal to. Now here z is given as this. 1 plus I whole square, expand this, 1 plus I square plus 2I. I square is minus 1. So 1 minus 1 cancel, we get 2I by a minus I. But mod z equal to root 2 by 5. Implies mod z, this modulus is 2 by root of a square plus 1 equal to root 2 by 5. Whenever squaring both sides, we get 4 by a square plus 1 equal to 2 by 5. 2 cancelled in 2 times. By cross multiplication, we get a square plus 1 equal to 10, implies a square equal to 9, a equal to plus or minus 3, but a is greater than 0, that is given. Therefore, a equal to, you take only 3, don't take minus 3. Now here, substitute here in z. Z equal to 2i by 3 minus I. Z bar, we want actually z bar. Z bar is, first of all you have to simplify z. Afterwards, find z bar. Or z bar, that is one method. Z bar equal to minus 2i by 3 plus I. Minus 2i by 3 plus I directly. Rationalize this. Minus 2i into 3 minus I by 3 plus I into 3 minus I, 9 minus I square, 9 plus 1, that become 10. Multiply that equal to z bar equal to here minus 6I minus plus I square, 2I square, 2I square is minus 1. 2 cancel in this 5 times, plus I square, that is minus 1, minus 3I by 5. Check that. Which option is right answer? Minus 1 by 5, minus 3 by 5. Here minus plus minus, minus minus, like this. So here z bar is minus 1 by 5, minus 3I by 5. So third option is correct. Now we discuss question number 14. If z and w are two complex numbers such that mod zw equal to 1 and arg z minus arg w equal to pi by 2, then first option z bar w equal to minus I, z w bar equal to minus 1 plus I by root 2, z w bar equal to 1 minus I by root 2, z bar w equal to I. We can easily identify the right answer by verifying arc z minus arc w equal to pi by 2. Let us take, let z equal to I and w equal to 1 by verification. Argument of z, argument of I equal to pi by 2. I is lie on positive y-axis. Positive y-axis. So that argument is pi by 2. Argument of 1, that is a positive real number. That means lie on positive x-axis. That argument is 0. So z and w satisfying that condition. I and 1 satisfy that condition. Now, which option satisfy? These also, I into 1, modulus is 1. I and 1 satisfying the given two conditions, they are mod zw equal to 1, arg z minus arg w equal to pi by 2, satisfy. Now, which option satisfy this? Look here. Z bar minus I into 1, minus I. So, first option is true. Second, I into 1 bar, I, this value is I, w bar is 1, so it is wrong. Second. Third, I into 1, that is also wrong. Fourth, z bar into w equal to I, z bar is minus I into 1 equal to I, that is also wrong. Fourth option is also wrong. Second, third, fourth, these three options are wrong and first verified that is correct. That's why first option is the right answer. But how to solve this problem? We can easily solve that. Argument of z by w equal to pi by 2. That means z by w, argument is pi by 2 means z by w is a purely imaginary z by w taken as some lambda I. We can easily get the correct answer. Now, question number 15. The equation mod z minus I equal to mod z minus 1 represents a circle of radius 1, first option. Second option, a circle of radius 1 by 2. Third option, the straight line passing through origin with slope minus 1. Fourth option, the straight line passing through origin with slope 1. Now here, very simple. Mod z minus z1 equal to mod z minus z2. That represents a perpendicular bisector of the line joining z1 and z2. So, it is also a perpendicular bisector of the line joining I and 1. I equal to I means that represents 0, 1. That lie on y-axis, it is 0, 1. I is 0, 1. Next, 1 that represents 1, 0. It is a complex number. 1, 0. This is 1, 0. It is 0, 1. Now, the perpendicular bisector of these two. Perpendicular bisector means perpendicular to this and passing through midpoint. Midpoint is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Perpendicular to this and passing through this. So, that line is perpendicular bisector of these two, that is passing through origin, and slope is 1. Slope is 1. That's why fourth option is the right answer. It is the last question in complex numbers. 16th question. Let z belongs to C with imaginary z equal to 10 and it satisfied. It means z. 2z minus n by 2z plus n equal to 2i minus 1. For some n belongs to n, natural number, then the values. N value as well as real z. We don't know actually real z. Here imaginary z is given as 10. So z taken as x plus 10i. Now we have to find imaginary z, x value as well as n. Here the condition is 2z minus n. You have to substitute this z here. 2z minus n, that means 2x plus 20i minus n, that means 2x minus n plus 20i by 2x plus n, real part, that is plus 20i equal to 2i minus 1. Cross multiplication, which implies 2x minus n plus 20i equal to, you have to multiply these two. These two multiply minus 1 into this, minus 1 into this, that means minus 2x plus n. 20i into 2i, that is 40i square, that means minus 40. That is real part. Imaginary part is minus 20i minus plus 2 into this much, that is plus 2 into 2x plus n. But we have to write down imaginary part and real part. Real part first, 2x plus n minus 2x plus n minus 40, product of these two, 40i square. Next, imaginary part is 2x plus n into 2i, that means 2 into 2x plus n into I minus 20i, I take outside. Now compare both sides, real and imaginary parts. Real parts, that means 2x minus n equal to minus 2x minus n minus 40. Here minus n both sides cancel. 4x equal to minus 40, therefore x equal to minus 10. X equal to minus 10 means real z equal to minus 10, real z equal to minus 10. Either option 2 or 4, first and third are wrong because real z is 10 there. Now find n. This x value substitute in this imaginary part here. Imaginary part, compare both sides. Here 20 equal to 2 into 2x plus n minus 20. Minus 20 take this side. 40 equal to 2 into 2x, that is minus 20 plus n. 2 cancel 20 times. Therefore n equal to 40. We get n equal to 40. N equal to 40 and x equal to minus 10. So option is fourth option. Now in complex number 16 questions are given in 2019 mains paper. Totally 16 papers. These 16 papers, 16 questions. These 16 question solutions are given in part 1 and part 2.